Hi, my friends. What's new today? I want to tell you something exciting. I have two new perfumes today, and I got it one day ago, yesterday. And I'm so happy. I have never had Prada perfumes in my life. They are a little bit expensive, as you know, it's Prada. So I got them, and I will do unboxing video of that one. I must tell you the truth that I already opened that one before because I couldn't wait. And then on my next video I will be doing unboxing of this perfume. It's Virtual Flower by Prada. That's super exciting, isn't it? So what we're gonna do today is candy, Prada candy. I've seen this perfume a long time ago. It's just I never got it, and this time I decided to get it's a quality perfume, and I will tell you full story how I got it and how I decided to get it. So let me open this perfume. I already opened it before, and I was wearing it and I was excited, and I like this perfume. I really do. I really do, guys. I like this perfume very much. Do you have this perfume? And have you ever seen it? And have you ever got it? That is the question of the day. And have you ever been curious to get it? I do recommend you. I do. My experiences are very positive about these perfumes. I was wearing it for 1 or 2 days, and I think it's powerful, effective perfume to wear, and really type of, like you can feel brand in it, like you can really feel quality in it as you're wearing it. So here we go. So let me tell you the notes. I have to have a look at the notes. I need to introduce this perfume to myself as well, because I'm not familiar with it very much. I was reading it before, and many people were telling that, like for example, this perfume is the one that people would keep telling them, like people would keep asking other people what perfume they are wearing when they are wearing, those perfumes. So that's another point why I decided to buy it. So this candy perfume is basically Prada candy. Okay, so you're gonna have caramel notes. There's powdery, amber, sweet, vanilla, musky, and balsamic. And basically this perfume is launched in 2011, and the notes: musk, benzoin, vanilla. Musk, benzoin, vanilla. So those are the notes there. And what else is there? I got the smallest version, which is like 30 ml, perfume. So that's the smallest version of the perfume. And what else is there? Let me have a look. So caramel is the main note. Let me have a look. What? So it's a moderate longevity, and then really feminine, people say. And it's basically it's like a powdery type of little bit cloying perfume. That's what people say. And so anyway, let me tell you my experience instead. Okay, let me tell you my experience instead of telling how other people feel. So I don't know, does that disturb you guys? Does that disturb you? So I basically I went into the shop, and because I read about it before, I saw this perfume and that perfume, and I asked lady to spray it on me, and she sprayed it on me, and I went along shopping other things, and I realized, guys, that as I was wearing these perfumes, I don't know which one was it, this one or that one, probably both, people would kind of feel affected by it. Like people would kind of probably smell it on you. They would look, like and they would actually also they would come to talk to me as well, just because I think of these perfumes, that particular time. So anyway, so candy perfume, and I felt really feminine, with this perfume. Probably, I had both perfumes on me. I already sprayed it in the morning, and I feel like in this particular moment, I felt like it's already faded away. So, but overall, I felt it's powerful perfume, really powerful. Let me spray it. Which one? I was just sprayed one more time. It's really nice. Whew, really nice. Prada perfume, guys. Like really feminine, not not like fresh, but it's kind of that sweetness, that balsamic type of touch, balsamic sweetness type of touch, that vanilla. It's really nice, guys. Really nice. Like if you compare to any other perfumes now, like let's say if you're gonna start smelling like Zara perfumes or those other affordable perfumes, you can feel quality in this perfume, you know. So it's really probably worth paying money for the perfume. I feel really good, you know. I wouldn't say that this perfume lasted very long, you know. At first I felt this perfume will last very long, but I felt like at some point it does fade away. But at those moments when you have it on you, when you just sprayed it on you, you can feel it for 3 hours, and you can feel it very nicely. Like you can feel it very nicely, like really good, like really good. I think that this perfume is a people pleaser. That's what I really think. For that reason, guys, I recommend you to get it. I do. I really do. And I don't know if there are any other versions of this candy perfume. So far, I have now like only 2 Prada perfumes. What other perfumes, I wonder, Prada has? It's so interesting. So interesting. I'm super excited. On my next video, I will be opening this perfume. It's a flower perfume. And at first, lady sprayed on me not flower but original version. You know, I don't know what's the name of that one, and I didn't like that one at first. But then, as I was walking along my day, I realized that actually it's quite nice, probably nice, even though I didn't like it at first, you know, that original. I decided to go back and buy it, and then on the second time lady sprayed that one for me, and I decided to buy this one instead of original. You know, I don't know if I made a mistake or not, but let's see how it goes. So that's it, guys. Let me tell you your experience. If you could tell me your experience about these Prada perfumes now, how do you feel about them? Is there any other Prada perfume, you know, exist? I don't know, like, guys, but let me know. I'm so excited. I'm so excited, guys. I'm gonna bring, if I will go on my holiday or anything, I'm gonna bring this one or that one, you know. I don't know which one I'm gonna choose. So that's it. Have a lovely day. Bye bye. Bye bye. See you soon.